Hi, I'm Rachel for ExpertVillage. Now I'm going to start covering it again, same way as I did with the can. I'm going to start covering it with newspapers around. Again, I'm repeating, don't be afraid to use glue, a lot of glue. This project needs a lot of glue. The glue makes it stronger. So you have to make sure that you have enough glue before you start making it. And I'm going to go all the way around, gluing the newspaper. Okay. Okay, we finished the second layer, and now we're going to do the bottom.